Recently, there's been a lot of debate in the tech community about AI and its impact on software jobs. Everywhere you look, people are asking the same question. Will AI replace software engineers? And honestly, it is not a completely unreasonable question. Just look at how powerful AI tools have become. Today, tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and other AI coding assistants can generate functions, build APIs, fix bugs, and sometimes even implement entire features. And some of them can even understand a large code base and work across multiple files. So, when people see this, a very natural question comes to mind. If AI can already write code, does learning software development still make sense? And this concern becomes even stronger when we look at what is happening in the industry. Over the last few years, we have seen layoffs across many tech companies around the world. News reports keep talking about companies reducing their workforce, and naturally, people start wondering, is AI one of the reasons behind this? So, actually, these fears are real. But to really understand what is happening here, we need to step back and ask a more fundamental question. What exactly do software engineers do? A lot of people think the role of a software engineer is simply writing code. But is that really the whole story? In reality, software engineering is much broader than that. Yes, writing code is part of the job, but building real software systems involves much more than just typing code into an editor. Software engineers design system architectures, they decide how different services communicate, they design databases, they think about scalability, they manage security risks, and they constantly make trade offs between performance, cost, and reliability. And these are not just coding tasks, these are engineering decisions. And this becomes even clearer when we look at modern AI coding tools. Take something like Claude Code. Claude Code is described as an AI powered coding assistant that can understand an entire code base, work across multiple files, build features, fix bugs, and automate development tasks. And that is very impressive capability. But there is an interesting detail that people often overlook. Cloud code can operate inside a project because that project already has a structure. There are defined modules, APIs, services, database models, and business logic. And someone had to design all of that in first place. Engineers did. So in reality, the AI is operating inside a system that humans designed. It can generate code within that framework, but the architecture, the product vision, and the system design still come from human engineering decisions. Now, does that mean AI will have no impact on software jobs? Of course not. AI is already changing how developers work. Tasks that once took hours can sometimes take minutes. Boilerplate code can be generated instantly. Documentation, debugging help, and repetitive work can be automated. Because of this, some roles that mainly focused on repetitive coding tasks may gradually reduce or evolve over time. For example, tasks like writing basic boilerplate code, simple CAD operations, or routine debugging may increasingly be handled by AI tools. So, it is possible that certain parts of software development will become more automated. But the bigger picture still depends on how the technology evolves and how the industry adapts. But that still does not fully explain the layoffs we have been seeing across the industry. So, what else is happening? To understand that, we need to go back a few years. During the pandemic, many technology companies hired aggressively. Digital demand was growing extremely fast. Online services, remote tools, digital platforms, everything was expanding. But later, when economic conditions changed, many companies had to reduce costs and rebalance their workforce. So, layoffs are influenced by many factors like economic slowdowns, market corrections, changing business strategies, and yes, increasing automation. AI is part of the story, but it is not the entire story. There is also another interesting pattern we often see when powerful automation tools appear. When technology makes something easier, people often assume that human demand will decrease. But history often shows the opposite. For example, when calculators became widely available, many people worried that students would stop learning mathematics. But mathematics did not disappear. Instead, Calculators removed repetitive calculations and allowed engineers and scientists to focus on solving more complex problems. Something similar happened when website builder platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Shopify became popular. At that time, many people believed that if anyone could build a website using simple tools, web developers might no longer be needed. But the opposite actually happened. Because building websites became easier, the number of websites around the world exploded. Businesses started building online stores, digital services, and custom platforms. And as these platforms grew, the demand for developers who could customize, extend, and build more complex systems actually increased. In other words, automation did not eliminate the need for developers, it expanded the ecosystem. This pattern is sometimes called the automation paradox. When technology makes something easier, people often start doing much more of it. And that brings us back to AI. If AI makes building software faster and easier, what might happen? More companies may start building software products, more industries may adopt digital platforms, and more services may integrate AI into their systems. In other words, the world may start building far more software than before, and that means new engineering challenges will continue to emerge. At the same time, we should also be honest about one thing: AI is evolving extremely fast. Many companies are competing heavily in this space, and every few months we see new models and new capabilities emerging. So it is entirely possible that we have not yet seen the full potential of AI. In the coming years, AI systems may become even more capable and may automate tasks that humans currently perform. So, pretending that nothing will change would not be realistic. But uncertainty about future should not stop us from learning and improving ourselves. If there is one thing history has shown us, it is that technology always changes the way we work, but it also creates new opportunities for people who adapt. And AI will likely be another chapter in that story. The truth is, none of us can say with certainty how far AI will go or how it will challenge human capabilities in the future. But one thing is clear: we cannot stop learning or improving ourselves just because of what might happen. So instead of worrying about what might happen, a better approach is to understand the technology and learn how to use it. Because the future is not shaped by technology alone, it is shaped by the people who choose to use it.